So today we'll be using this Loc-Line here to build mounts for lights, a phone, and a GoPro. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using some Loctite red, more of a permanent Loctite because there's only a few threads connecting with that nut. Just a little bit right at the end. Slip that through. Then put the nut on. Screw it down. Alright, that's snug. So I like to, this base joint, I kind of like to rough it up a little bit with some, for my experimentation. This is usually the slipperiest joint, and it's a base, which you probably don't want to be the slipperiest. So 100 grit sandpaper. So here it is, roughing up a little bit. Let's get this on. And you can see won't be the primary one bending unless you want it to. We're gonna put a GoPro mount on here and mount these together. A 5/8 button head Allen wrench, a washer, and lock washer. That fits perfectly before it doesn't bottom out in these threads, but that will go inside this base piece. So you get about 4 full threads into here. And we'll lay it down. Take it down. Nice and straight. There you go. It looks like it was meant to be. So here's the a base mounted onto a GoPro adapter here, and then this piece we'll just hook it on onto there like that, and then it's ready. Nice quick build. There you go. GoPro's hooked up. And I could adjust it however you like. So that's one of my primary ones I wanted to build. So there's just a couple minute build there. So the phone mount I want to do as well. And I want to do it the same way this GoPro is, because I like this one so much. So we're going to do the same thing. It likes a 5/8 bolt, the lock washer, and the washer, the Loc-Line base plate here, inside here, and that will mount to here as such. We'll tighten it down here. So the 5/8 washer, lock washer, it's a perfect length. It's perfectly flush. So this is a phone mount onto the base plate of some Loc-Line. So this quarter, we're going to take another base that I pre-sanded a little bit, and we're going to mount that in there. A lot of locks. Loc-Line, lock washer, Loctite. Tighten that down. Okay, that one fit pretty nice actually. I use a smaller 1/4 inch nut in there and some Loctite. Put the piece on here. Put the coupler on. Cell phone camera mount on. There you go. Alright. See what that does for the cell phone. Okay. That works pretty good. You see the video's on. Alright, that's nice. Now for the lights. For the lights, since they're going to be a little heavier hanging off the sides, and I was probably going to use this mount. Since these ones, you know, kind of, they tend to want to rotate. This rubber is pretty slick. I wonder if I could roughen it up, make it a little more less rotatey. Okay. Seems to have a nice texture now. Let's see how that does on a little better. A lot better actually. It's at least 100% better. It's pretty strong. This is super strong. In fact, you could have 3 Loc-Lines coming off of here. A light, a phone or GoPro, all coming off this one plate. So, I have so many of these 1/4 inch magnets with a quarter 20 on it. For this build, I'm going to have to remount these holes to be a little bigger. So I got the same magnet, except it has an M8 thread on it, which won't fit in these without a little bit of drilling. Stepper bit here. Whew. Okay. So we're going to do that. Alright, so we're going to put the washers and the lock washers on. Like that. Take it down. Super strong. Alright. Now we're going to put a base on. I think 3/4 inch is just perfect here. That's one down. Go. So there we have it. It's pretty much ready for the Loc-Line. Take our Loc-Line here. Okay. Now I'm gonna take apart this light here and see if I can mount one of those Loc-Line bases to it. Let's get this apart. See, let's get this out. There's like 4 little tiny bolts in there. What we got under there? Alright, so that's off. Actually, there's like 3 holes in there. Look like they're about 1/4 inch size. You can kind of see some spots here. Snap this out maybe. There's definitely little snaps in there. There you go. Huh. Oh yeah, there's little snaps right there. So, those holes, I probably get a little nut right in there. These little 10 mil 1/4 inch nuts. Whoa, it's almost like it's meant to be. That literally fits right in there. Maybe a little encouragement. Looks like it's going down. Oh, perfect. Alright. So, got that nut in there perfectly. 3/4 screwing right into there. thread that on here. Nice flush fit. Yeah, there you go. That's on there. Let's see how it holds on the threads here. So let's fit this on here. It's kind of the hardest part, getting these to a force. There you go. Light is connected. Put this plate back in the light. But let's see how this works out first before I mess around with it anymore. There we go. There's our light. Good overview of it. I might add more line on there and see how it holds. Okay, so got them all built. Got the 2 lights here and here. And I got the phone mount. And I got the GoPro mount right here. This one's on 2.5 feet of the Loc-Line. This is on 1.5 feet, and these are on 1.5 feet, both here and here. Yeah, and then I have this short little one on a magnet here. But there you have it. Done with using the tripods for the lights and the camera here. I could get all the lights either from the camera light or close-up lighting with these guys. So there you have it. Have fun if you're going to try it out.